I get this question all the time. How do you read your video script while looking into the camera without having to memorize or feeling awkward or forgetting what you have to say while speaking it out? It's quite simple. You can follow my 3-step formula. Let's get into it. Step number 1, rehearse your script. If you try to read a script you have never heard before, there is no world you can read without looking into your script all the time. Even if you have a high IQ, you are likely to read it better if you have read it multiple times before facing the camera. Creators, including myself, read our scripts at least 3 times before we face the camera. This feeds your script in your subconscious mind. So whenever you take pauses to read your script and know what's going to come up next, you don't have to pause for 1 minute and memorize it. You already have it in your mind. You're just calling it out, which makes it a lot easier. Step number 2, put in position. When athletes are about to start the race or snipers are about to shoot, they put their whole body in position. So does you for your videos. Before you hit the press record, fix your eyes on the camera. Even if you move your body, your eyes are on the camera. Maintain a smile no matter what's happening. Your smile is on your mouth all the time. And then focus on articulation. You don't have to worry about how you look. The smile and the eye contact does fix that. Just analyze your script from your teleprompter or wherever you have written and read it out, focusing solely on your voice. This helps you remove all the stress you have. Have your body and mind prepared to focus only on what you have to say when pressed the record button. Step number 3, perform. There's a quote from Shakespeare I like to refer here. All the world is a stage. I want you to think your videos like a stage performance. You do have moments to pause. You don't have to speak all the time. All of the best articulate speakers takes extreme pauses to think and come up with their next best possible message. After each line, sentence or message, take a moment to look into your script, inject the words in your mind and think about the best way you can articulate that on the camera. That's it. That's what I do. Everyone do. And literally you can do too. Now, if you're dealing with a lot of repetitions of the same words, which is the biggest problem most of you have, number 1, don't allow a room for that. If you tell yourself you're only allowed to speak one sentence for one time, you will prepare yourself to not have any repetitions. Number 2, have a good environment. Do you prefer having the most important conversation of your day at the worst emotional condition? Your body temperature, room temperature, cleanliness of your mouth for better articulation, readiness of your studio. Everything counts. When you press the record button, the only thing you have in your mind is your script. You are on a stage. Your mind and body should be prepared before you get on the stage, not when you are on the stage. Number 3, speak slowly. Speaking slowly not only makes you confident and precise, but also allows you to not memorize a lot or keep a lot on your mind while looking into the camera. Sounds shallow, but it makes a lot of difference. So it's worth giving a shot. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you on the next one. By the way, if you enjoy my work and wanted to be a part of this, join my free WhatsApp community. Link in the description. I will see you there.